today let's start with chapter number 5, type and click. So in this chapter we will study about keyboard and mouse. With the help of keyboards we type different letter words and sentences, and with the help of click, with the help of mouse, what we do, we point out different things. So now let's start with the chapter. Color the picture using the given color code. You have to use the color code and you have to color the picture. So let's study with the keyboard. It is an input device and you can type what you can type. You can type letters, numbers, words and sentences, poems and songs. There are generally 104 keys on the keyboard. Each type of key has different functions. Some are shown on the given keyboard. This is escape key. This is your number key. These are your alphabetic keys, right? This is caps lock. This is shift key. And this is your spacebar key, which is the longest key. This is enter key and these are arrow key. These are the different keys and we use different keys to write different words and numbers. So first is alphabetic key, which helps us to type letter, words and sentence. There are 26 letters keys on the keyboard from A to Z. Then we have number key, which we use to type numbers, right? So they are also known as numeric keys. There are 10 number key which are marked from 0 to 9. They are present at the two places on the keyboard, on the top and on the right. Now space bar, which is the longest key, which helps us to give space between two words or two numbers. नेक्स्ट इज एंटर की, विच इज मूव द कर्सर टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. जैसे आप एंटर की को क्लिक करेंगे, द कर्सर विल बी मूव टू द next line. Then backspace, this is used for erasing letter and number one by one from the left of the cursor. If you select a word, sentence or the entire text, you have to press this key only once to erase. आपको एक ही बार क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस की को प्रेस करना पड़ेगा. Now we have delete key. So the term delete means to erase. This key erases the letters and numbers one by one from the right of the cursor. If you select a word, sentence of the entire text, you have to press this key only once to erase it. आपको एक बार ही क्लिक करनी पड़ेगी. And this key is used for erasing object on the screen. Like we have icons and 5. Now next is caps lock key. Caps lock key, it is located on the extreme left of the alphabet. When you press that key, you say that caps lock is on. Most of the keyboards have small light that turns on when you press this caps lock key and it types all letters in the uppercase. जितने भी लेटर है uppercase में, आप उसको क्या करते हैं, टाइप करते हैं, right? Next is to start typing again in small letter. You will press the caps lock key once again. The light also gets switched off. और जो आपकी light है वो भी switched off हो जाती है. Next is arrow key. They are used for moving the cursor up, down, right or left. They are also called direction key. इनको हम direction keys कहते हैं. Then we have ESC key. It's a short form of the escape key. And this key is placed at the top left corner of the key. It allows you to cancel an operation. ESC क्या करती है, आपके जो भी आप operations कर रहे हो अपने monitor पे उसको cancel कर देती है. Now shift key. This key has multi-purpose uses. It is used with other key for different purpose. There is a way to type in a capital letter. When the caps lock is turned off using shift key, you will press and hold the key with the alphabet key. It will work. There are two shift key which is present on the keyboard. It has an arrow that points upward. यहाँ पे एक arrow होता है जो हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ point outward. Then we have symbol key. So some special signs are written on the number key above the first row of the alphabet. They are also written on some of the keys of the right of the alphabet key. The signs that we use are known as symbols and the key that are called symbol key, right? So you can type symbols after pressing shift key and number key. If you press shift key together with number key, an exclamation mark will appear on the screen. आपको दिखेगा ना exclamation mark. Then we have home and end key, which is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the sentence. इससे जो आपका कर्सर है वो सेंटेंस के बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में चला जाएगा. Page up and page down. When you have to do page up and page down, you use this key and you will move, it will be just below the part you are looking at. Then we have tab key. This is used for moving the cursor ahead. By pressing tab key, the cursor moves many spaces. वो बहुत आगे पहुंच जाता है. Then we have function key. There are 12 function key. F1 to F12. Each function key performs different jobs. Then we have window key, which is win key, used to open the start menu. Then we have mouse. A mouse is an input device that tells computer what to do and selection icons to work. You have learned about the mouse in the previous class. Let's study about it. Types of computer mouse. We have different types of computer mouse. So we have ball mouse, which has rubber ball. ऐसे rubber ball होती है अंदर side. And then when the ball moves, the ball catches dust easily, so it stops working. So we do not use this kind of mouse nowadays. Then we have optical mouse. This mouse is the most common computer mouse. It has LED sensor on its underside, which helps the pointer to on the screen to move. If you pick the mouse, you will see a red light glowing under it. Now wireless mouse. This mouse does not have a wire. यहाँ पे किसी भी तरीके का वायर नहीं होता है. It runs on battery and is attached to the computer throughout the Bluetooth. Right? It is also a type of optical mouse. The only difference between both types of mouse is the wire. One has it and other does not have it. Now let's study about the different parts of mouse. We have right mouse button, left mouse button, scroll wheel. This is your mouse pad and the wire is attached to the computer. Now mouse pointer. These are the different mouse pointer which we use to point out the different things folders on the screen. You can change the shape. Next is drag and drop. By using mouse, you can drag and drop the different items. Follow the steps to drag and drop. Place the pointer over an item on the screen. Press and hold down. You will press and hold down the left mouse button. Now keep the left mouse button pressed and move the pointer to the new location. Now moving mouse will keep the left mouse button pressed and it is called drive. Now release the mouse and you will see that the item has moved to a new location. Releasing the mouse button after dragging is called dropping. आप ड्रैग कर रहे हो और माउस बटन को लीव कर रहे हो, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? ड्रॉपिंग बोला जाता है. Now using touchpad and touchscreen. A laptop has a touchpad instead of a mouse. There are left and right buttons below the touchpad. You can do the same action with the touchpad as with the computer mouse. जैसे आप कंप्यूटर माउस के साथ करते हो, ऐसे आप touchpad के साथ कर सकते हो. Now moving the pointer. You can move your finger over the touchpad to move the pointer on the screen. Press the left mouse button once or tap the touchpad once to select an item. Then double click. You will press the left mouse twice or touch the tab twice to open an icon. Then right click, press the right button once to open the shortcut menu. Now drag and drop. Now drag and drop, keep the left mouse button pressed while moving your finger over the touchpad to drag and drop the object. Now you can use smartphone tablets. आप smartphones tablets का use कर सकते हो with your fingers. Smartphones and tablets have touch screen instead of mouse. Like tapping on any icon of the screen to open it. Swiping your finger up, down, left or right helps you to scroll through the screen. Press an item or icon, have a little longer item. You can drag the item to a new position by moving your finger while the icon is pressed. जब आप उस icon को क्या कर रहे हैं? Press कर. Right? This was all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.